Welcome to Mind Joggers. Can you guess the animal by emoji? Let's find out. But first, don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. Guess the animal by emoji. It's hornet. It's butterfly. Can you figure this one out? It's peacock. Oh, this is a tricky one. It's bulldog. Did you get it correct? It's deer. For more weekly quizzes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now back to the game. Which animal could this be? It's dolphin. Oh, this is an easy one. It's seahorse. It's jellyfish. Any guesses? It's hamster. It's donkey. Join the quiz party. Hit subscribe for more weekly videos. Now back to the game. Guess the animal by emoji. It's bear. Oh, I know this one. It's kingfisher. It's honeybee. It's snail. Do you know the animal? It's seal. It's pufferfish. Oh, this is a tricky one. It's manatee. This is a hard one. It's caterpillar. blue whale. It's hammerhead shark. Do you know what it is? It's toucan. It's starfish. I know this one. It's bat. Can you figure this one out? It's porcupine. It's catfish. Oh, this is an easy one. It's zebra. It's mouse. Any guesses? It's eagle. It's sunfish. Oh, this is a tricky one. It's wolf. It's earthworm. Take a guess. It's rhino. It's swan. Do you know the animal? It's polar bear. It's badger. Take your guess now. It's bison. It's tiger. I know this one. It's bullfrog. goldfish. It's panda. Oh, this is an easy one. It's sea lion. It's penguin. It's sheep. Take a guess. It's pig. It's anteater. Can you guess what this is? It's cricket. It's Black Panther. Oh, I know this one. It's swordfish. It's bloodhound. Oh, this is a tricky one. It's ladybug. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more fun quizzes.